sakitin,
sickly,
pukpukin,
to hit,
pitasin,
to pick up or pluck,
pahirin,
to wipe off,
matandain,
retentive,
matapat,
candid,
harapin,
to face,
gayahin,
to imitate,
gisingin,
to wake up,
gusutin,
to crumple,
nasaksihan,
had witnessed,
napudpod,
got blunted,
linawin,
elucidate,
liitan,
to make smaller,
lansihin,
to deceive,
lambitin,
cling,
ismeran,
to sneer at,
hikayatin,
to persuade,
gabi-gabi,
every night,
dahan-dahan,
slowly,
guni-guni,
imagination,
araw-araw,
every day,
haka-haka,
assumption,
anting-anting,
amulet,
yapusin,
to embrace,
yamutin,
to annoy,
yanigin,
to shake,
wasakin,
to destroy,
walisin,
to sweep away,
utusan,
to command,
unawain,
to understand,
tipirin,
to economize,
unatin,
to straighten,
tagubilin,
instruction,
sugpuin,
suppress,
sakupin,
to occupy,
barong-barong,
ahat,
kilikili,
armpit,
watak-watak,
scattered,
ngala-ngala,
palate,
ika-ika,
walking lamely,
halo-halo,
different kinds,
nilapitan,
had approach,
matinis,
shrilly,
matinik,
thorny,
malamlam,
dim,
maktol,
peevishness,
malat,
hoarseness,
mahapdi,
excruciating,
mailap,
untamed,
mabisa,
effective,
madasalin,
pious,
lilim,
shade,
lapad,
width,
kulani,
lymph node,
kuliti,
sty of the eye,
kupad,
sluggish,
kuyukot,
coccyx,
budhi,
conscience,
bugso,
downpour,
galang,
courtesy,
ganti,
revenge,
gulat,
fright,
hagod,
stroke,
habag,
compassion,
dayuhan,
foreigner,
butaw,
contribution,
kababaang loob,
modesty,
pasaring,
quip,
supilin,
quell,
mataranta,
rattle,
pagtutuwid,
rectification,
malawak,
extensive,
masipag,
assiduous,
maamo,
meek,
matindi,
intense,
tibay,
stamina,
siyasatin,
inspect,
mapabuti,
improve,
mapahanga,
impress,
kalinisan,
hygiene,
pandinig,
hearing,
pagbubukas,
opening,
hindi rin,
neither,
malikot,
naughty,
magsalaysay,
narrate,
pagkakamali,
mistake,
palayok,
pottery,
parusa,
penalty,
pagbabayad,
payment,
daanan,
passage,
masakit,
painful,